Like Spencer's Douglas and heralds with it the message of peace,
the torch bearers,
tolerance,
Sylvia G. Norman and
spreading this message.
Denise Sterling Coy,
The torch really
and now it has been passed on to Simeon Marak, a promising young talent hailing from Rishudel-Para, North Parus.
From my round, followed
Simeon has emerged a standout athlete in school-level championships. His achievements not only bring pride to his hometown, but also exemplify the potential of the next generation of athletes from the region.
I now request the Honorable President of India
will address the gathering, sharing her thoughts on the momentous occasion.
and to
Let's
declare
listen in.
Meghalaya Games 2024 open.
Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Phagu Chauhan ji, Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma ji, Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shri Thomas A. Sangma ji, Minister of Sports, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Shakliar Warjari ji, Minister of General Administration Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Rakom A. Sangma ji, Member of Parliament, Srimati Agatha Sangma ji, organizers, participating sports persons, ladies and gentlemen. Johar, Namaskar. I am delighted to attend the inauguration ceremony of the multi-sports event Meghalaya Games. I extend my best wishes to all the participating sports persons. I am confident that they will put up a remarkable show in this edition of the Meghalaya Games. I am happy to note that this opening ceremony of Meghalaya Games is being held in the Plie Sangama Football Stadium, which is said to be the country's largest pre-engineered composite football stadium. I pay my homage to late Sri P.A. Sangama, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and former Speaker of Lok Sabha. Sri Sangma was the first tribal Speaker of Lok Sabha and also the first Speaker from Northeast. Sri Sangma was loved by politicians cutting across party lines. He was a visionary who worked tirelessly to address Northeast region's unique challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, Northeast India traditionally has a strong sports culture. The region has a tremendous potential for development of sports and sports persons. Further, the region has a large tribal population who are good at many sports, archery being one of them. Diversity is the beauty of our nation, and we should utilize it to further boost India's global image in sports arena. There is an urgent need to support the talent from the tribal areas and groom them to become professional sports persons. I am happy to note that the Society of Northeast encourages women to play and join sports as a profession. Northeast region has produced many great women athletes. I would also like to underline the potential of adventure sports and adventure tourism in this region and the need to explore and leverage it on priority. The region has produced some great sports persons who have contributed to India's tally in prestigious international tournaments like Olympics and Commonwealth Games. Last week, I gave Arjuna Award to hockey player Pukram Bom Sunila Chanu and Yusuf player Naurem Rosivina Devi in a ceremony held in Rashtrapati Bhavan. I congratulate both of them for making the country proud. I am confident that events like Meghalaya Games will encourage athletes for excellence, promote competitiveness, and create a vibrant sporting ecosystem. The National Sports University provides courses on sports science, sports technology, sports management, and sports coaching. I am sure it will create a rich sports ecosystem in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that about 3,000 athletes are participating in these games. I appreciate the state government and the organizers for hosting this event. The decision of the government to hold these games in different parts of the state is a welcome step and would ensure wider reach of such events among masses. The development of sports inspectors in the state will also get a boost when these events are held at different venues. I commend the state government and local administration for using this opportunity to engage the local residents in beautification programs, cleanliness, and plantation drives. I am confident that such Jan Bhagidari programs and multicultural events will go a long way in building social harmony and creating trust among various communities of the state. India's sporting culture has developed immensely in recent years. With government's new initiatives and encouragement to the athletes, Indian sportspersons are now winning more medals than ever in global events. Indian contingent delivered spectacular performances in recently held World University Games and Asian Games. Programs such as Khelo India are helping in identifying and nurturing future sports champions. Our athletes are so determined and committed that they are making a mark in Para Games too. Our men and women sportspersons are keeping the India's flag flying high. Ladies and gentlemen, India has also demonstrated its ability to host large-scale international sporting and other events. India has organized the Chess Olympiad, Under-17 Football Women's World Cup, the Men's Hockey World Cup, Boxing Championship, and most recently, the Cricket World Cup. This year is March. In March, for the first time, India will host the World Shooting Para Sports event. The organization of various state-level games and other cultural and trade events will contribute in building robust sports infrastructure and creating a strong sports legacy in the country. I would like to ask the children and youth of the country to learn at least one sport and participate in sports activities. You may or may not adopt sports as a career, but playing together will inculcate team spirit and competitiveness in your personality and apart from keeping you physically and mentally fit. In the end, I extend my best wishes to all the participants and wish this event a great success. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Meghalaya.
Drum rolls, please. Meghalaya
A powerful and inspiring message from Her Excellency, setting the
Meghalaya
stage
Games
for
has
an
now been
incredible
opened
sporting
by
extravaganza.
Madam Murmuji. राष्ट्रपति महोदया श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी, आपका हम सब इस तुरा के वासियों से, इस मेघालय के वासियों से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और हमेशा आप
मैं एक बार इसीलिए माइक के सामने आई क्योंकि धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। ये तीनों ट्राइबल्स मुझे पता चला वो भी प्लेयर्स ही है, और जो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स यहाँ अपना आर्ट फॉर्म यहाँ दिखाए हैं, गौरा, खासी और जयंतिया ट्राइबल्स का अपने बिहार बॉडी में 3-4 घंटा यहाँ खड़े हैं। उनको मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं। इसी कहते हैं स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट, इसी को ही कहते हैं स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट एंड यंग स्टार एंड यंग ब्लड एंड यंग माइंड। थैंक यू।
It was our greatest pride and honor to have you join us, Madam, in today's festivities. So shall we all rise for the national anthem?
And with that, the 5th Meghalaya Games are officially open.
We are sending you from this venue with a lot of love and gratitude as we rise and wave at you, Madam, as you depart. Thank you, Matela, Dhanyawad, and Kublai.